So hi, you ready to eat Ringna Bateta? I'm making a delicious eggplant and potatoes dish today. So we're gonna make my mom's Ringna Bateta, eggplant and potato curry. I'll introduce the ingredients to you. Our baby eggplant, potatoes, red potatoes, cut up in small cubes, pureed San Marzano tomatoes. I like San Marzano tomatoes for the flavor. You can use regular tomatoes, Campari tomatoes, whatever you want, and puree it. Ginger garlic paste, whole red chilies, freshly ground black pepper, cumin seeds, cinnamon, bay leaf, and cashew nuts, which we are going to grind into a flour as well. And then we have our powdered spices. We have coriander powder, toasted and ground coriander powder, toasted and ground cumin powder, Kashmiri chili powder. We have garam masala, hing, and turmeric. We also will need a little bit of water, a couple of cups of water, to steam the eggplant and the potatoes and cook them. So let's get started.
Yes,
Okay.
And watch until the end. We're going to have the recipe card up for you where you'll be able to capture all these details.
Here we go. We'll start with some ghee. Disperse the ghee all over. Ghee is melted and slightly hot. We'll pour in the cumin seeds till they all begin to pop. Bay leaves. Basically gets our dish started.
Now, show me these eggplant. You've split them.
I've split them 4 ways, 1 and 2. Split them into 4 ways so it's easier to cook and they absorb the flavors inside. The cumin is now toasted. Let's add the ginger garlic paste. Lower the heat to a medium. Put in our cumin powder. Cumin and coriander. Turmeric. Kashmiri chili powder. As you see, there's a little dryness coming to our masala. We're going to add a touch of water just to deglaze the pan a little bit. You want to be careful that it's not too dry, and because if it is too dry, the pot is too dry, it could burn your spices. So our hing. So the masala is almost ready. You add the aloo. I'm going to add the tomato, pureed tomato. Now we put in our water. Mix it up a little. Last but not the least, we'll put in half of the cashew flour, because you don't want to thicken the sauce so much right now at this point, but you still want to have some of it incorporated in already. Now we're going to place our eggplants.
It really looks beautiful. some fresh lemon.
Lemon is acid is always good.
Now we're gonna try.
Now we're gonna try the Ringna Bateta. Take a little bit of the. I'm gonna feed you. There you go.
This is an event.
A special event, yes.
Oh my god. This is so good. It's really flavorful, moist, delicious. I love the lemon at the end. I can see how much you're enjoying this.
It takes me home.
Yeah.
Summer afternoons with my father, my mother, my brother at the dining table. But she always prepared a feast for us. It was never just one dish. It was like 3 or 4 dishes and dessert. Often ended with a case of mango rust. That is the juice, the puree of case of mango. Delicious. Thank you, Mama. There she is. It's delicious. God bless. Childhood memories. That's it. Cup, the Romanian chef, and I got you. That was good, right?
Yeah, do it one more time.
The Romanian chef, and I got you. Cut it. Cut it, cameraman. Ghee, can I say? Lover of ghee. That's me. I'm a Superman, I eat cilantro. Like Popeye. Ringna Bateta today. Eggplant potato curry. My mother's recipe. Don't tell her though. Because I'm sure she'll find I did something wrong.